Today's grail is the Cartoon Network tea and coffee maker. I don't have much information about this piece at all, but based on the logo, this was produced sometime between 2010 and 2026. If you have any information about this, let me know in the comments below. I thought this would be a nice follow-up video from yesterday's Cartoon Network tea set from 2006. I haven't found any information about this online. I haven't seen another one of these online. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more grails.